Hey, I'm Marvin with PID Floors. Today we're talking about wood flooring installation issues. Installing wood flooring is a skilled trade that requires proper training and experience. A successful installation depends on several critical factors, including a flat and properly prepared subfloor, correct fasteners and adhesives, and the use of appropriate tools. Every one of these steps matters. When issues occur such as panelization, overwood, underwood, or delamination, they're most often related to installation methods, subfloor preparation, or product selection. Skipping steps, rushing the process, or using improper techniques can cause problems that may not appear immediately but can develop over time. This is why following NWFA installation standards is so important. These guidelines exist to help prevent issues before they happen and to ensure long-term performance of the floor.